my friends! I'm Kathleen Hansen, and you found my Warmups with Kathleen YouTube channel. That was Sven, one of my studio cats. Today, we'll do a well-rounded 15-minute vocal warm-up to get you singing your best. Vocal warm-ups and vocal exercises don't just physically warm up the voice, but they allow us to work on the vocal skills and coordination that we need to improve our voices and become even better singers. Let's start, as always, with a few moments of attention to alignment and breathing. As you come to a balanced position, take a few low, relaxed, and deliberate breaths. Allow your shoulders, neck, jaw, and tongue to release. Let's do a gentle lip trill now, like and go. Now let's sing on a cascading saw, singing saw while thinking of the word sigh. Here we go. Saw, saw, Let's sing on me, like me. With this gentle yet efficient sound, let's concentrate on steady smoothness. Here we go. Me. We're going to sing on a hngeee, like hngeee. We'll start this with efficiency and then use that energy to gently open into a higher range. Hngeee. Here we go. for ways to enjoy yourself. Singing should feel good and it should be fun. For this next exercise, let's think of gentle openness as we sing Thoh. This rounded sound gently allows our tongue to stay out of the way as we work on continuity of sound and connection. Here we go. Thoh. Let's sing on ga ga ga, like ga 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 ga. This will help with all sorts of coordination and encourage a neutral floating larynx. Here we go. Ga 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 ga. Ga 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 ga. Ga 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 ga. Ga 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 ga. Working through a pitched glide, let's sing on ooh, like ooh. We're looking for a connected sound throughout and try not to judge if we get a little crackle in there. Here we go. Let's move on to money, 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 mo. Here we go. Money, 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 mo. 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 Now let's aim to release the jaw as we sing on ya, ya, ya. Say that a couple of times. Ya, ya, ya. Ya, ya, ya. We'll sing ya, 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 and go. Ya, ya, ya. Ya, ya, ya. Ya, ya, ya. Ya, ya, ya. Now let's aim for smooth accuracy as we sing on ni, ne, na, no, nu, like ni, ne, na, no, nu. Here we go. Ni, ne, na, no, nu. 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 Now we will use the sounds sing-ah on the pattern sing-ah. Let's work for an artistic connection through the changing sounds. Here we go. Sing-ah, 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 Finally, let's try the following pattern. We will sing zing-ee, zing-ay, zing-ah. It sounds like this. Zing-ee, zing-ay, zing-ah, and go. Zing-ee, zing-ay, zing-ah. 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 Thank you so much for singing with me today. You can support my channel and keep my videos going by liking, subscribing, and sharing them with your friends and ensemble mates. I will see you next time. Hey. All right, we're gonna do this.